Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a simple calculator website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in separate files. In this video, we will be covering how to create the layout, design, and functionality of the calculator using these three languages. And there you have it. A simple calculator website created using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in separate files. With this tutorial, you should have a better understanding of how to create a basic calculator website and can even customize it to your liking. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!